And as we track the latest updates coming in from Kashmir, particularly over the killings of civilians in the last few weeks, the NIA, the National Investigation Agency, has taken over the case of the killing of 2 civilians. This is with regards to the killing of 2 civilians on October 5th, which is when you had Kashmiri Pandit, the chemist Makhan Lal Bindru, being shot dead, and also Virender Paswan, who was a street vendor. The NIA will be taking over these particular 2 cases. The DG of Jammu and Kashmir Police and the NIA DG discussed the case in great detail in Srinagar. The NIA will be looking into the angle of a terror conspiracy. So the National Investigation Agency has taken over this particular case. Remember that on October 5th, we saw 3 civilian killings, 3 civilian deaths happening. The NIA is going to be taking over some particular cases, and that is that of chemist Makhan Lal Bindru, a very prominent Kashmiri Pandit who was shot dead right outside his pharmacy, and that of Virender Paswan, a street vendor who was also shot dead by terrorists. Let's take this across to Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's getting us the latest updates on this. Kamaljeet, we've seen the NIA very actively aiding the officials and authorities so far in these investigations, conducting many raids as well. But 2 particular cases we understand have been singled out. The NIA will take over these 2 cases investigation. Not sure if we have
They usually associate with the investigation, but there have been detailed discussions.
Kamaljeet, go ahead. My apologies.
Akshata, if you can hear me.
Yes.
Akshata, if you can hear me, the NIA has not yet taken over the case, but in terror-related cases, they usually associate with Jammu Kashmir Police. So on October 5th, 2 killings took place. One that of Makhan Lal Bindru, a famous chemist here in Srinagar. The other was Virender Paswan, a non-local. Now, after days of investigation by JKP, it's been decided that the case will be handed over to NIA. For that, we've been told Jammu Kashmir Police DG Dilbagh Singh will be writing a letter to MHA officially to hand over this case, and after a nod from MHA, the case will be taken over by NIA. Remember, they will be probing all cases of terror conspiracy, including the Pakistani angle. Now, we've been told by our sources, so far it's not emerged. Remember, there were 2 of terror groups, the ISIS as well as the TRF, who had claimed this particular attack. But in the series of attacks on minorities and non-locals, this is going to be one step ahead. Because remember, as far as cross-border terror is concerned, NIA is a key investigation agency, and now it's been decided. Remember, there have been cases of teachers being killed, there have been cases of minorities being targeted, of labourers being targeted, and now is one of the first cases which happened on October 5th will be handed over to the NIA.
Okay, this is a story we will continue to track very, very closely. For the moment, Kamaljeet, thank you for joining us with those updates.